Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Next, let's learn about the memory hierarchy. And before that, actually, we should know how computer speed is measured. Right. Speed measurements in computer is basically done using this unit, that is hertz. H is a we call hertz, and H simple is a, because that is introduced by a person called hertz. Hertz means 1 cycle per second. 1 cycle per second, 1 clock cycle. If something happened, for an example, think that okay, a water drop happened 1 cycle per second, then we call 1 hertz, right? So let's use a simulation. Okay, if it is, yeah, let's load it. If a scenario happen like this, so it's loading still, just wait. Okay, until that we just write down. And so if you have 1000 such hertz, so that is equal to 1 kilohertz. So we write this as 1 kh, simple is 1 kilohertz. And if you have 1000 such kilohertz, then it is 1 megahertz. If it is 1000 such megahertz, we call 1 gigahertz. 1000 such kilohertz, 1 megahertz, or MHz, and 1000 such megahertz we call 1 gigahertz or 1 GZ. So computer processor speed is basically measured in processor speed is measured in gigahertz. Then how many? So basically gigahertz level. Gigahertz means at least 1 gigahertz means how many hertz? It is 1000 into 1000 into 1000 hertz. Right? 1 gigahertz means 1000 into 1000 into 1000 hertz. That means 1 million, 1 billion hertz in gigahertz. Processor speed is measured in gigahertz. You can say example 2.8 gigahertz. 2.8 gigahertz. Okay, meanwhile, I would like to show this practically. Right? So is there any volunteer who can share the screen? Right? Is there anyone who can share the screen? Can you do it, please? I have given the permission. Sorry. So still my screen share is not stopped, right? Just write down this first. What has happened? Cannot stop this. Okay, I'm going to use to show the frequency. You can use this.